A Course in Miracles Workbook, Lesson 18. I am not alone in experiencing the effects of my seeing. The idea for today is another step in learning that the thoughts which give rise to what you see are never neutral or unimportant. It also emphasizes the idea that minds are joined, which will be given increasing stress later on. Today's idea does not refer to what you see as much as to how you see it. Therefore, the exercises for today emphasize this aspect of your perception. We will look around and select subjects for the application of the idea for today as randomly as possible, and keep your eyes on each subject long enough to say, I am not alone in experiencing the effects of how I see blank. And then we will conclude with the more general statement, I am not alone in experiencing the effects of my seeing. Now, look about you and apply the idea. An example might be, I am not alone in experiencing the effects of how I see bodies. I am not alone in experiencing the effects of how I see cars. Take about 30 seconds or so and apply the idea. And now repeat, I am not alone in experiencing the effects of my seeing. This concludes Lesson 18. Remember to revisit this lesson about 2 or 3 more times before the end of the day.